5 tips for a healthy lifestyle. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss 5 essential tips for achieving and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. By following these guidelines, you can improve your overall well-being and lead a happier, more fulfilling life. 1. Eat a balanced diet. A proper diet is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. Aim for portion control and stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, which helps maintain bodily functions and keeps you energized. 2. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is crucial for maintaining good health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, most days of the week. Incorporate strength training exercises to build muscle and improve overall fitness. Remember to listen to your body and adjust your exercise routine as needed. 3. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for physical and mental well-being. Aim for 7-9 hours of consistent, uninterrupted sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading or taking a warm bath, and maintain a regular sleep schedule. 4. Manage stress. Stress can have a negative impact on both physical and mental health. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Make time for hobbies and activities that bring you joy and help you unwind. 5. Avoid or reduce alcohol and smoking. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking can lead to a range of health problems. Limit your alcohol intake to the recommended guidelines, and if you smoke, quitting now can greatly reduce your risk of developing health problems and improve your overall well-being. By incorporating these 5 tips into your daily routine, you can take steps towards achieving and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Remember that consistency is key, and making small changes can have a significant impact on your long-term health and well-being.